Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram have added one more new option in Instagram audio. So whenever you will scroll your reels and if you will click on this trending audio, in this way the page will open. One is a trending one and the second is popular with your followers. So what is a use of this audio? So this all are a list of trending audio which your followers love it. There can be a several reasons that these reels are there. The first thing is your followers are liking a reel in which this audio are used, or they are commenting in such kind of reels where this audio is used, or they are commenting. So there can be basically this reels are the list of these audios are the list of uh, list which your followers are liking, in which they are doing a regular interaction. So this will help you to go viral and get a maximum views. I hope you will find this video useful.